Morning, good morning. Welcome. Let's see what we can do today. We see gold is fucking dumping. My days. Didn't expect it to go that hard. That's mad. That's absolutely crazy. What did I do yesterday again? I totally forgot. For real. Oh yeah, we took them buys. Where was that? Oh, it's somewhere right here. Yeah, right here. All the way up here. And then after that, price of dumping. Sheesh. Yeah, what I'm looking for now is not much, because this candle is very dangerous. Quick. Yeah, 4 hour doesn't have a top wick yet, so the 4 hour might go up back up to 1800, and that's where I'm going to be looking for buys. Sells, I mean. Jesus. Sells. This 5 minute is looking very dodgy as well. Like dangerous. So I'm gonna try and let price back up 50% into this wick. It's gonna be around this area. That's gonna be a retest area on the 5 minute. Or a little bit higher retest area on the 5 minute. Then we have a top wick, and then we're gonna try and make the daily bottom wick right here. So that's gonna be my target, first target, and then second target is the wick fill to 92. And then I'm probably already going to be out, because that's a good enough of an amount for me. Blessings from Jamaica. Blessings back. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. Look on all the other time frames. We have a resistance sitting here on the 1 hour time frame. We could also be retesting 89, 98. 98 could also be a retest area, but I'm looking for like that retracement back up in here. The other way around. A little higher, but that's okay. Trying to just go back to the area. Wearing baby face. Oh, I don't have my camera on, I forgot. Here we go. So yeah. 30 minutes also an area. I'm just looking to go back. There's an order block sitting right here. Didn't even know that. But I'm just trying to go back towards that 99.8. And then at a 5 minute time frame, I'm trying to go back to this area. So in between this zone, I'm going to be looking to take a sell. I think that's going to be a very good idea. Wait for price to come back. Give this blue. I do have my suspicions that this candle is going to turn price around, because this is the candle I usually start buying on. Now, I don't really want to buy. What we could buy up to here and then sell back down, but it's a little bit much, I think. Baba boy. Morning, Davis. So yeah, what I want to see is just want to pass all these highs for a moment. Respect this high. This is the only thing that has to be respected. 1801.1. So we're pretty much going to have around a 10 pip stop once we're going to be selling here. And the stops are going to be at like 1801.2, 11, 12 pips. But you're not trading in the lounge because this is my live stream. So goal will reach 1772. Oh, let's see. Less King Luke Skywalker. Cheat, man. Yeah, on the 4 hour, this is going to be first target. So, well, first target, probably second target, first 1-to-1 or 1-to-2, and then second target. And then my final target, people could say, oh, why don't you hold? I don't care about whenever it goes lower. I don't really give a shit. I want to have my target. That's it. Probably this is going to be first target. Well, it's first target. Where is this line from? No idea. Going up slowly now. I was really looking to take a buy here. Didn't do it though. I was waiting, I was like looking at that 15, I was like, yeah, if it wants to do that, let the 15 close. And this is my suspicion now. But this might close to the top wick, and then it has a problem. No top wick. Whoa, little top wick. What's up, y'all from Denver? Let's make some bread. Yeah, man. Let's do it. Good morning, Jay. Gold on the 4-hour retest the bodies of the candle. No. Yeah, let's see. I don't really care too much about the news sitting here though. This is all very late. Here we got Jolt's job opening, but this is all 7, 8 p.m. so I don't really give a shit about it. I mean, yo, what's up, man? Sisak, South Africa. Welcome, welcome. What made you think the previous 15-minute candle was about to close bullish? Because my ass thought as long as we were under the higher low, that we're going bearish. Well, if you go to the 5-minute time frame, you see this candle right here. I said it wouldn't happen. I was like, this is probably gonna go up. I wanted to buy right here, but I didn't do it because the trend is bearish overall. If you go left, I'm gonna be looking to sell right here, right? Let price go up and then start selling back down towards the final target. All I'm looking for. Thing is, right, I was thinking to myself when this happened, I was looking, even though I'm not talking, I'm still thinking, right? But you know what I mean? You're looking like, nah, you're running after your price when you're doing that. You're not waiting for your thing to happen. Like, this is my thing to happen. I understand that, right? But this was not the plan when I came. The plan was this. And yes, the plan can change, but the plan didn't, you know, there's still room for this plan to work out. And I rather want this plan to work out than go against the trend, right? So I'm just going to wait for my plan to work out, let price come to me instead of running after price, because if I would have bought here, I'm running after price to start going up, right? If I'm going to sell here, I'm going to just wait for price to come and then sell. I'm not going to run after price. I'm going to let price run to me. I'm going to slap this price as hard as I want instead of getting slapped by the price, right? So what I'm going to be waiting for is and whoever knows it's going to happen. We don't know. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. If it happens, it happens. I'm expecting price to just go up. Maybe some bearish candles in between. I really don't give a shit, to be honest. So let's make like a bearish candle like this, and like this. I mean, and just go up. So let's say we're up here now, right? Make some wicks on the candles, otherwise it's not that nice. Whoever knows what's gonna happen to this candle. This actually went up like 10 pips, so did take it, well done. And then I'm gonna be looking for maybe a bearish or a bullish candle. I prefer a bullish candle than this way, I believe myself. This is rejecting bearish momentum right now again, so let's see what's gonna happen. So I want to see like a small bullish candle maybe, or a bearish candle. It doesn't matter what color it is, as long as we are rejecting, and then I can start selling down again, because you see the sells are fast. And obviously these candles are going to be red, right? So what I'm going to be waiting for is, if you go in the bigger picture, draw big, I'm going to be waiting for a candle like this, right? Or the candle can also be like this. Right? And at the end of the day, it can also be doji, bearish or bullish, like this. Best. Oh, that was very, very off. Oh, know what I'm doing. There we go. As long as we have a candle like this. Right? So it doesn't matter how it's gonna print, it's just, well, it doesn't matter how it's gonna print, I'm just gonna wait for this setup to form. And once I see the setup forming, or once I see a 5-minute engulfment, so let's say I have like a bullish candle like this, right? Healthy bullish candle, or non-healthy, doesn't really matter. And we see engulfment at the top. At that level, I'm going to be selling. I have stops right here, and then targets as usual. So yeah, those are the confirmation we're going to be waiting for at the top. Who knows? We don't know if we're going to go to the top yet. This could also be a retest on some other time frames. I don't know yet, but in my opinion, the 4-hour doesn't have a top wick yet, so we might go up to the 4-hour, make a top wick on the 4-hour, and then start coming back down towards the daily low to flip the candle here on the daily. That's going to be 94.3. Going to be second target, and after daily flip, we have more chances for price to continue moving down. So that's the setup I'm waiting for. Right now, first target's going to be pretty much right here. Good enough. Looks like it's retesting maybe this area, but who knows? This could also be the retest to continue moving. But I'd rather want to see price come up here to start selling. Good day, Luke, and if the rest of you and the rest of you beautiful people, let's make this money. Yes, 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 Stefan. So I just prefer this to continue moving. Continue moving up, I mean, no, continue moving down. Up, and then down. This is also a confirmation candle, like a hammer candle. But let's see. Let's see. I rather want to, oh shit. I rather want to see these candles at the bottom, right? So hammers like this. So if you're going, let's say bullish, right, in the market, going up, and you're making high highs, higher lows. So like this. And go back down. Yeah, it's gone. I want to see like little hammers like this form. It can be bullish, bearish. This should be a bullish candle because it's the opening price that went up. So as an example, this one is bullish then, and then I'm expecting bullish momentum again. So but as we are now in a downtrend, I'm looking for the vice versa thing. The thing, you know. So as we are going down, and we're going to demonstrate that. A little bit more to the left. I don't care if price goes further down. Let it do its thing. We're not gonna. Don't try and run after the price. Okay. So let's say we're going down. Going down nicely. And we're going. Yeah, let's go a little further down. Second. Let's see where we're going down, right? Going down back towards this zone. Prices maybe we're gonna have like a bullish candle here for a moment. So we have to retest this area, right? Let's say price is going to come back up. Bullish momentum. I want to see a candle, and I'm going to make this color a different color because it can be any candle it wants to be. Candle like this. Continue moving down. Right, so that's vice versa versus the other one. And on the upside, when we want to go up, we want to see a candle form like this, right? Continue moving up. Right? So I hope that's clear for the people that are asking what setup I'm not looking for. I'm just looking for a retest. Looking to retest 1800. We have not retested 1800 yet, so there is going to be a time we're going to retest 1800. If it's now or it's tomorrow, we'll see. But the most important thing is we're not going to run after the price. Because you ain't going to be a little dog, right? You're going to be running after money your entire life. And it's faster than you. Way faster than you. So wait for it to come by and grab it by the neck. Yeah, and yesterday New York's net move was mad. I do see people taking trades on this one too, on the other side. Once we go up and it does touch that resistance and it prints like this, I do see people taking trades on this candle. But for me, it's a little too not too I don't have that much success with that candle yet. Or not success, I haven't tried it too many times. Good morning, Gabriel. Antonio. I like Alexander. So yeah, but what I think is most important, this is what I instantly saw, right? Is that if you grab some arrows, after you make like a lower high, you always got levels that are being retested, right? So if you look at all the highs and the lows and the breakouts, every breakout you see right here has been retested, except for this level and for this level, right? Most other levels got retested. So once we start retesting this area first, come back down, retest this area, then we have potential to break the daily low, which isn't there yet. There's the daily low is the open, and then we can continue moving down, right? I don't know how maybe we're gonna do this, but it doesn't matter afterwards. It matters that we're gonna go up to this level, take sells, and then continue moving. It doesn't matter how far it goes, as long as we hit first target, we're happy. We don't care what happens with the runner. Okay? So that's my plan. But yeah, that's it. Levels to be retested, and if the levels haven't been retested yet, then you need to wait. You can see right here, retest, right? Break, retest. Literally all levels. You can see this level has been retested. This level has been retested right here. Everything, even the breakouts right here have been retested on the left, even though it didn't care. It just pushed through it, right? All zones are going to be retested at the end of the day. Even these zones right here, the more current zones, retested. But now you want this to be retested because this hasn't been retested yet, right? And all of these, like this low, that needs to be fully retested. You could say this is the retest, but it didn't really go down towards the level. There was still at least $1 in between price. So I'm gonna wait for price to come up, and then we're gonna take a sell. At least I'm gonna take a sell. I don't know what you're gonna do. How about the retest of the low first? Yes, that can 100% happen. Because the daily time frame is stronger than the 4-hour time frame, so we could flip this daily before doing this, going back up and then going back down again. I don't prefer that though. I prefer this level not to be broken yet before we're going up. And the reason why is because then we still have a higher chance of making the bottom wick after we went up, right? If we go break it now and then go back up, then there could be rejection forming. So let price hold this zone for a moment, let it go back up, then make a 4-hour wick, because we don't have a daily wick and we don't have a 4-hour wick, which also means that on the higher time frames like 8-hour, 12-hour, or whatever time frames, there is also a chance that we don't have top wicks yet. We're gonna take a look at that for a moment. See, no top wick, right? 12-hour does have a top wick, but no bottom wick, right? So my intention is first to go up and then to go down, and my bias is bearish at the end of the day, right? So yeah, prefer to hold this 94.3, don't make a bottom wick, and then start going up first up and then down. That's going to be the highest probability trade, because then we don't have that bottom wick yet, and we do have made that 8-hour and 4-hour bottom top wick here, retesting this area to continue moving down. There, that's it, and there's nothing more than that. The only thing I'm going to be waiting for. Pretty much 1800, retest of 1800. Probably gonna have stops around, depends on where we're gonna get in, but probably around above the structure, which is gonna be at least 1801.3. So pretty much right here. Or 4 might be good as well. The actual high is at 1, so yeah, let's do it at 3. But I'm only gonna take this trade if I see the correct confirmation. And you know the correct confirmation, so I don't have to shout it out. Already got fully explained. Have you taken this buy? No. Dude, I like it. Your hair looks absolutely fantastic tonight, Luke. Well, tonight, for me, it's in the morning, man. How can you say hoo-ya from an hoo-ya? No. Oh, I can't swear you thought it was there. Oh, I was about to say another one. I'll say it again for you. Hoo-ya! Can I get a hoo-ya? No. Very early for us. Yep. John's favorite. Oh, damn. You have price. 94. No, I don't. Just pop to the like stream and say cheers. Perfect. Thank you, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Better not be crashing that whip. Woke up grumpy. I felt like hell no. We wait for the market to come to our zones. As you said, we're not running after the market patiently. Yes, sir. No, I don't have a 94. Yeah, there's like this 94 level is all based upon on the daily flip. Look at the daily. This is the daily low. No, what I'm looking for is to fill the daily wick. So first I want to fill 50% of this 4 hour. So from here I want to go up here and then start going down. So reject 50% of this wick. Also retest the 5-minute structure. Thing in my eye. A little annoying. And then once we retested the 5-minute structure, I want to go down and then fill the wick on the daily time frame. Right? This is the wick for the daily, which should be filled today. High possibility, very, very strong candle. So that's the plan. Let's say there's nothing more than that. Gabriel. Yeah, there's... And this time it's earlier than normal. Because now there's more volume again, right? There, you see prices moving, right? If you look at the 5-minute candles, you can see, start counting. It's not that crazy much yet, but, you know, if you look at 8 o'clock right here, Frankfurt Open, the candles are 10 pips. And this candle, red candle, is like 25 pips. This green small candle is 11. All these candles here, oh, voice crack, 12, 13 pips. So 5 minutes are showing you a lot of opportunity, right? You don't have to wait on GJ for a 1 hour candle to push 8, 7, 9 pips, right? What about a possible retest of 1810? Very, very possible. Very, very, very possible. Could we take a buy? There's no we, but I'd be very careful. You could, I mean, I'm not saying you can't. There's a high chance that we're gonna go up to the level, but in the bearish momentum, I'd rather take a trend. I'd take a trade with the trend rather than against the trend, right? Yes, we are taking a lot of counter trend trades, but they're lower time frame counter trend trades. Their higher time frame momentum is with us, right? Because most of the time, like this zone 1808, like this is the perfect retest zone. Sure, for sure. The 1810, we're talking about as well. The 1 hour. Yeah, I would say 1808.5, 1808.5. This already got retested. I wouldn't expect price to respect this zone, or at least this wick right here. Right, this is order block sitting right here. If you tap that order block 1808, you could continue moving back down again, retest the low. That would be the better trade than the trade I'm trying to look for. But who knows if that's going to happen in London session. We might have that push up in New York after we, filled that way kind of low. But it would even make more sense probably to go back to 1818. Like, for sure. This is I'm barely I nearly know for a fact that this is like 78% or something. Should we take a look? Here between oh no line. Yeah, it's literally between 78 and 70%. This is maybe the best retest area. This is 50%, so 1810, 1808 is 50%. It's also nice. Oh, the daily, yeah, makes sense, makes sense, makes a lot of sense, man. But there's also a chance that we're just gonna go back to this level, reject this zone one more time, and then continue moving. But I'm just looking at lower time frames right now, and want to take a lower time frame trade. That's all based on long term, right? That could happen maybe tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, or maybe even next week, right? But those are zones again that need to be retested. Not all of them have to be retested, but most of them are going to be retested. Did Bitcoin have that drop or something? What happened? Like it dropped for like 10K. I saw it somewhere. I don't know where I saw it again, but I saw like that the price just dumped. I saw Ethereum dump. So my money disappeared. Oh shit. That went at like 10%. Just $10,000, $100. Shit. But loves these 50% levels though, yes, for sure. Yeah, Ethereum is still dumping. It's down like 14%. 14% or something. Holo is dumping as well. I still have Holo. Didn't sell it. Holding it. Shit. What's happening to me? I got BNB as well. I already have that long BNB up. I fucking destroyed BNB. Like, for real. And that was all unexpected. Like, I just had BNB. I didn't even invest in BNB or something. I just had BNB, and then all of a sudden, it started flying. Yeah, BNB is having a dump as well. I probably had, like, it wasn't that low when I had BNB, but I think I had it like around, what was it, beginning of this year somewhere? I think it was like between 170, 200, around that. It was pretty good. Oh, it's like 631 or something. Gaming channel for GTA 5 roleplay. Okay, I'm gonna put it. If you want that, I'm gonna put. If you really want that, I'm gonna put a thing now. Hi man, if the daily bias is bearish but the low trend is still bullish, are you waiting for confirmation to follow the daily bias? Yes, yeah. Well, daily is a little high, but like 4 hour, 6 hour. Hey Luke, I am singing off now. We'll join New York. Not much for selling opportunity. Well, now yeah, it's just waiting time, right? It's just waiting time to wait, and that could take very long. It could also take all the way to New York, but make sure Siva, that you put like a alert on, that you get notified when price is somewhere. Otherwise, you're gonna probably miss it. It could happen also very fast. It could happen very slow, but also fast. Okay, question: should I start a gaming channel? The options are pretty good. Lower time frame look is good for entries. Yeah, that's what we're waiting for. We're seeing engulfment happening on the 30-minute. 1 hour is trying to flip. This is pretty good. So let's see. I'm gonna see how bad the quality was on that video. I don't even know when that was, when we did that, like last. What's that? I think it was this one. It was NFP, I think. It's 50-50. When we whiteboard session start, look, probably mid to the end of this month. It's gonna be pretty fun. Oh yeah, the quality was shit. I think I changed it up. No, I think it's better. It was okay. You can analyze the 4-hour time frame. Right now on the 4-hour, what we're seeing that we're having a huge dump. There's a chance that we're gonna go up towards 1808/1810, or even 1818. Right now we had this bullish candle closure without a bottom wick, but this candle also closed doji and the low got broken. Now I'm still expecting this 4-hour to start making a top wick towards 1800 to start selling back down towards 92, 94 to retest the low. 94 is the low, 92 is the 94 is the low of the current daily candle, and 92 is the break. It's well the wick, the break of the wick, and the wick fill itself. So let's see. Might do it now because we're actually making very nice high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high from here already. So this is the high, current low, lower low, lower high, range, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So, don't know if the plan is gonna work out, but then we need to improvise and see what we can do. Yeah, there it is. The low is tapped. So the wick is formed. There's no way I'm gonna sell the low. No actual way that I'm gonna do that. This might be enticing sellers to get in. So very, 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 very careful. So we got 54% saying yes. We only have 59 votes. Make sure we have like 250 people in. Make sure you vote. Vote for the thing that's right there. Because now it's like 30 versus 30. Yeah, I'm waiting for this price to pull back still. Yeah, Heisenberg, same thing. Yep. Okay, it's 50-50. Got 82 votes. I want to see at least 70%. 70%. So, if you make that happen, 70%, and then we'll start gaming channel. But first, we also got to start with the whiteboards. Whiteboards are more important than the gaming channel. At 70%. Oh shit. Uh, and there we go. For some reason my sales spread is so much better than my buys. For me it's the same. Go up price. Up, 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 up. More in a 1 minute. I was already looking like, what? What? Can you explain how much your setup to enter position? Sometimes the order block setup invalid. I don't always use an order block. I look at them, like right here. Where was the order block sitting? Like 1818, I think it was somewhere. Oh no, it was 1810. There's one order block sitting right here, but like I look at them and take them in consideration. It's the same as retracements. I focus on the price section. And it's only going to give me another confirmation when I see another extra thing lining up the same way as I'm expecting price to start running off from some level, right? What's your name on the leaderboard? I don't have one. What games do you want to stream? I got no idea. What do you want to see? That's the question. Oh shit. Damn boy. The gap. You guys have any gap? Where do you see the gap? Oh yeah, I see gap too. It already got filled for me now. Up. I want to go. Just want price to go up to my zone and then start selling. That's all I want to see. $18.10 not possible. I'm gonna go run. Oh, it is. Got retracements. Base. Yeah, Eisenberg, I did the same. I'm not gonna lie. I had the same. One hour close bearish but weak. 30-minute close bullish, 15 close weak bearish, rejecting. Okay, let's see. And I'm just getting Forex. What broker should I go with? You go below in the link and choose IC markets, or you can choose Dominion markets. It's based on where you live. If you live in Europe, I would prefer IC markets. If you live somewhere where you can't always use all brokers, Dominion markets is also good. So. Gabriella, hi Luke, but are you working with Roger? No, he's just a friend of mine. I got also a lot of people asking, do I get paid for the promotion in the video right there? No, it's just a friend of mine. Like you see the Dominion Markets thing in the left side of the corner of the screen. It's just, be nice to each other. If you want to see my Dominion Markets account, I'll show you. I don't know if I'm allowed to show this, but I'm gonna do it anyways. I don't give a shit. This is my Dominion Markets account, right? In total, I got 76 clients in this broker. Lots use around 10 lots, so not that many. This is what I earn on it. So pretty much just do it for free. And that's because he did a lot of things for me as well, right? He helped me. He's my mentor. He's my own mentor, so he helped me with trading. Like he helped me learn price action and all the other things. And then I put my own twist on it. So, give and receive. That's just the only thing I'm gonna say. Give and receive. I got a question right here. Look at that. That's nice. Do you still trade register or using smart money concept? Both. About to make some next. No wonder I'm fat. What? 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 Eating this late? Oh, I'm eating at 12. I'm doing that. fasting in between, right? In the 12 to 8, the only time. And then after 8, I'm not allowed to eat. Before 12, I'm also not allowed to eat. It's hard though because this morning I went to the gym, right? Went to the gym and then it's even harder. Sometimes I think it's better maybe to eat. Shit. But yeah, that's the dummy name. A lot of people gonna ask me like, do you get paid? No, it's just friend. It's just and I do have like, bro, you don't even want to know. I get so many emails of partnerships. So too many partnership emails. And I pretty much reject all of them. I should accept one, but like it's. I do want like if I want to have a partnership, I don't want to just have a partnership to have a partnership, right? I want something that's, you know, um, do I want to have something that's more personal, right? Not just some good partnership. Mm, we're going up. Oh shit! Never mind. We're going down. Oh shit! Goddamn. Just keep on going. Go to the top. Look, that's fair play. Good thing. Yeah, cause sponsorship kind of can ruin the channel. Yeah, for sure. Sending love from South Korea. Sending love back to you. What time do you wake up? Around 5:30. Not always. Doesn't always work. But let's say 80% 5:30. Of my you can see my 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 timer. It starts pretty much at probably it's turned around as well. It starts at 4:30 And then at 5 o'clock, I have the Dream Killer, uh, the Dream Killer alarm. So it says me, if you don't wake up, you're killing your dream. 5:30, I have it again, and then at 5:30, I also it's just straight up the best of TGIM, and that's all from what's the guy name again? What is his name? You know, I always know his name, and I forget it when I'm gonna talk about it. From Eric Thomas, and then it's one from the guy with the basketball shit in it. It's very, very good. And it started blasting to wake me up, right? That's okay. Luke just accept love from pretty good. Along at 79.7.10. Okay. I'm just gonna wait for myself, so I'm gonna be doing. We have a chart coming in. Let's take a look. I don't know if this is the right chart, but let's check it out. For it. Wait. This is not you, right? No. Oh, that's not it. No, it's the wrong chart. Hopefully we keep on going up. Just very quick. There we go. There we go, we're pumping up right now. Let's see what can happen at that zone. Looking forward to this. Gold moves $10 to $12. I'm done for the day. Okay. Just overall trends bearish. Yes. Yep. Let's see. Shooting hard right now. Crazy. 50 pips right there. In on 25 minutes. Crazy. Need to go higher up. Too early to sell. This is some pushing right here. Mad. Come on, push, 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 push. I'm going to close at the top level right here and then do that doji candle, right? And I'm happy. Ooh, that's pushing very fast. You gotta be careful, no. Hmm. Okay. Okay. 'Kay. I did get a first position in. And I'm waiting for confirmation to get my second position in. Maybe even a third. So let's see. If it goes down like this, I'm fine with it as well. No worries about it. Five minutes about to close. It is closing bullish. Selling might be scary, yeah. Scary business is the business where you're gonna make good profit though. Nah, don't want to be too dangerous. But that's why I'm not gonna put my full position in yet if I don't really see the confirmation I want to see. Right? Most important. Do see candle forming right now, that's very nice. But the way it's flying up, it's dodgy right now. Like I'm already 8 pips up with my other position. I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm fine. Whatever happens, happens. I'm securing my first position then at 25 pips. It's gonna be right here. So, taking out, then we win. That's it. About to be 10 pips up from the line we have. I'm pretty much in from the line that's sitting right here, 99.8. So, whatever happens, happens, right? That's it. Give a shit about the rest. Probably gonna close like 80% of it once we tap that zone. But I don't know if it's gonna tap it yet. The momentum is going very, very fast right now, so. Pretty much already tapped 10 pips. 8 to 8, so there's 10 pip. I don't really give a shit though. I don't care if it goes up. I'm not gonna close anything. At the end of the day, whatever happens, happens, right? But the way it's moving right now, this is one thing that's working against me right now. Is that you see the way this is moving down, right? This is taking very long. Like it took from here to go to here, it took this amount of time, right? To just go up like this a moment ago took this, right? So we could retest this area right here. That's when my first target is this area. I'm gonna leave 25% with our position run to like 94 or 93 or something, or 20%. I don't give a shit about how much it is, but this was a nice candle form though. But the bullish momentum is very strong right now, so I'm gonna be careful. I'm not probably. I divided my position. I'm still running a profit though, but I'm gonna be very, very careful. I'm not gonna add my other positions. Yeah, true, Heisenberg. Yeah, I see that happening many times too. Got 30-minute candle closure in a couple of minutes. That's pretty good, Pew. Yeah, you had a nice buy. Very nice buy. Probably wouldn't myself have done that, but morning, Luke. Love your streams, mate. Perfect, Coco Jams. Appreciate that. Appreciate you being here. Imagine this 30-minute candle closing doji. Oh, no, not doji, without a top wick, I mean. Yeah, interesting. 30-minute is very strong. There's no candles with me right now, so that's why I'm not gonna add anything else. Whatever happens to this small position happened. If I do see confirmations for price to continue moving bearish, then obviously I'm gonna add something more. Right now, just waiting. I'm happy that I didn't add a position right here once it started breaking the low. For me, I think it was also, yeah, first started breaking the low and then started going up, so I would have probably never done that anyways. Yeah, I see that happening too. Awaken, but I'm just looking for that one more tap. Because if you look on the daily, we're making higher highs, higher lows, and the only problem is on the daily is that we did break the structure, right? This is the structure. Lower, higher low, higher low, higher low, and then break, right? So let's see if we can go back down one more time to make the daily wick. Because we still not have really a daily wick, right? If we look on MetaTrader, we do have one, but Tradingview we don't yet. At least we already hit 10 pips. Oh shit. I mean, it can do its thing. I don't care if it just starts ranging. As long as it doesn't break these highs, I'm fine with whatever it's doing in between here. Made my money today, perfect. Today is gonna be one of those days. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. Pushing up very hard though. But I got faith. Retesting that area pretty nicely now. Really tapping into it. So let's see. Yeah, 1800 is hit now, so that's good. Maybe give a small doge or something. Let's see. Right now it's pushing, so it's probably not gonna give a doji anytime. See, big bullish candle, informal buying, start. Yep, that's it. Let's see. That's gonna help. We have 300 plus people in, and we only have 99 likes. Those are rookie numbers. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's over. I'm still in it, but yeah, it's over now. It is what it is. Bullish momentum was too strong. Only had one position in, so I'm not really that worried at all. Looking for a second trade then after. Was around 15 pips. First went 10 pips in profit though. Didn't really wait for the confirmation I wanted though, but that's okay. It was a fast push. Yeah, our cat's maybe looking there as well. Let's see. Titus, what if it goes to 1813? Yeah. You can also say, what if it doesn't, right? Oh, this is it. It knew my stop loss was there. It knew it. Look at that tap on my stop loss. That's nasty right there. That's some nasty business. And I was thinking about putting like 400 or 500. I was like, 300 should be good enough. Just tap the top of it. I can't be like that, gold. Can't be like that. Yeah, just kiss the stop loss. It's like, psych. Out of here, boy. Gonna get a hoo-yeah. Nah, it is what it is. It is what it is. Can't always win. Yesterday we also had a nice trade, so luckily this was in a lower lot size. Classic start line. Yep. There and Spencer, yeah, it is what it is. But that bearish momentum right now is bullish momentum is very, very strong right now. At least it did fill that 4-hour wick. But I do want it to start going back down now. 92.4 again. So that should make sense. So our science is Taurus and this is my domain. I'm a Taurus as well. Yeah, I was looking at the same thing, Alexander. Like, what do you mean about filling the 4-hour wick? Well, this 4-hour candle had a wick right here to the top, so it started filling that because the 4-hour didn't have a top wick yet. So it went down, rejected the bottom side, went back up. I was looking for sells right here at that retest area, which didn't quite happen because we might see a further pullback up towards this zone or this zone before getting sells. But who knows? Waiting for a 15-minute kind of close. Okay. I start. It's really rejecting. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing right now too. I'm also acting up on it, so hopefully we can break the 5-minute low and we can have this 15-minute close weak shit. We have 22 seconds left for that to do. But that was a straight stop hunt right there, for sure. Straight stop hunt. Nothing else. Nothing else in that. That was just straight stop hunting. It's okay. Oh, fine. We're gonna get you back. I do see the 5-minute faking out, so this starts going and breaking these lows, we should continue moving down. $1,800 is a crucial level though. Like, we've seen 1,800 before and how it can act. There we go. This is just straight fake out. I knew it. Back in the game. I'm in it, but that was the first position was fucked up. But I like. Keep on going. Don't fuck around anymore. if you're gonna stop, it is what it is at the end of the day. But oh, there we go, 15 pips. There we go. Come on, gold. Come on, come on, come on. 16. Go 17. There we go. There we go. Talking smack about my money. Close health, close health, close health. There we go. Love a boy. Fucking knew it. This bitch was just gonna stop on me. I'm not even gonna say it. You know what was going on. You knew it. I had the exact same entry again, like exact same. 20 pips hit. Fucking go. See? Turning L's into fucking W's. Sorry for swearing, but that price, you know what it was doing. That was some manipulation right there. Oh, there we go. Put my stop loss at break even. So whatever happens now, happens. Got my loss back. Target's gonna be at 92, 92 point. Well, let's just say 93 flat. Yeah, there we go. First target pretty much got hit. Already secured position. Now pulling back fast. Fast fuck, boy. Must be fun being a manipulator. Yeah, pretty much. It's the only people gonna. Oh, psych. Oh, days. Oh my god. I'd catch them again. Same entry, but that was some dodgy shit. How can you be like that? Can't be like that. You just can't. I had the same, exact same entry at 80. Exact same. Loss was 15. I started closing first position at 17. I have a small runner left that's gonna make me the rest of my profit. I don't give a shit what happens. That was crazy. That was mad. That push was fast though, like split second, bang. I'm gonna put this one up the board though. I don't give a shit. I went up 23 pips. Yes, I'm gonna put that on the board. It might be butthurt, but we did it at the end of the day, turning L's into W's. Yeah, let's do just 20. It went a little fast, so I didn't even see it on the board. On the like my meta trade. Oh. I nearly got tapped out. Still in though. Well, nearly. Still at 6 pips up. If you took the same trade after the first loss, hopefully you made everything back and a little more. So make sure to like the stream. Around 300 people in and only 130 likes, or missing at least 50% of the likes. Also, if you want to see me do gaming on a gaming channel, if you want me to create a gaming channel, a lot of people ask for it. Make sure you push that thing to 70% or at least 65%. So then I'm gonna do some gaming channels after that. Well done, mate. Even after that L, you give a second perfectly executed. Yeah, thank you. I appreciate that. Probably gonna get stopped out. Position. Okay. Yeah, I stopped out. Red got me out. That's fine. That drop was immense. Like, that was fast. Look on the 1 minute. You can see all the moves up here were fast and all, but these two candles, shit. It was different. But this might be a retest, so I'm gonna put my little runner back in. So it got stopped out. Do believe. Didn't do it yet. I'm waiting. I expected this 5 minute to do some more, to be honest with you. This 5 minute. It's a little weak. Because the previous one closed pretty strong with a nice wick to fill, and this one just decided to go up. Like, oh shit. I got my little running back in at the same spot. Do the work, boy. Do the work. Work it. Stop loss like straight away to break even. Not gonna play around. And put it off. 7. This one's a little lower, 7.2. That's alright. That's, I mean, 99.72. Done. What I was seeing right now, why I put my running back in, is because we had the move going up, right? We had this fake out, right? This is a fake out. Then we got stopped out, right? We made this support, right? We broke the support, and what happens when we break the support? We have a B, an O, and an S. Break of structure, right? So that's why I got in on this one. But if you look at the lower time frames right now, on let's say the 1 minute time frame, right? What do you see? Here we see. Let's start from the bottom. Starting from the bottom. No, here. No, that's too cringe. We had the low right here as for a moment. Is it low, lower, high, higher, higher, high, higher, low? It was a very strange arrow. Higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, high. This was all straight manipulation. Like, I can't say anything about that. Like, yes, I could have waited for a better candle, but the way price pushed that up, they knew that stop losses were there. I was thinking about it myself. It is what it is. It's all good now. But once we started making this new higher high, a higher high with the new higher low, we failed to make a new higher high, right? You see? At that moment, we had the break of structure. Right here. With the first push down. First leg coming down, right? What is this? If I want to see comments right now in the chat. What is that? We're back up 10 pips. What is that? Tell me. What is it? A retest? A lower high. Yes. Perfect. Right? So what do you expect after the price hit this and you see candles closing without a top wick and doji? We're probably going to retest the low. Now, your first target is also going to be the retest of the low. You're not trying to hold it all the way to here. You're just going to first target 50%, maybe at the retest of the low. That's also what I'm going to do, because now we have a high chance after filling this low that we're going to continue moving back up, right? Because it could also be a retrace. So 50% here. We already stopped the break even. We're already at 10 pips again on the runner. The runner that we re-entered again. So whatever happens, happens. If we go up and we go out break even, it is what it is. If we can start going down with the runner, because that's what the runner is for, we're going to leave it run. We're going to take off 50% here and leave it run all the way towards 94. So yeah, it is what it is. Whatever happens, happens. It's a runner for us. Not like, you know, position or anything. The gap gonna get filled probably. See a couple gaps. Yep. So that's a very nice move. But that's all explained. You can see the trend right here was bullish, right? Until we pretty much had this break right here, and then the break of these lows right here. And then we had that break of structure, continue moving down, retest, and then we should see continuation. They're also listening, yeah, pretty much, Pew. Pretty much. Hey, look, can we close partial positions using magic keys, right? Yeah, of course. You have the magic keys, and then here you have like a couple buttons, half close. Oh, you can't see shit now, but yeah, like, oh shit. This is, why is this green screened? You have half close, I think it's custom close, this one, and full close. I don't know which one is which. I think this is full close, custom, and or half custom, right? Oh no, this is full close. But it doesn't matter, full close, and then you can decide. You can also, with custom close, you can say, hey, I want to close 33%, or I want to close 50%, or I want to close whatever the fuck you want to close, right? Come on, Goldie. Push it. Stretch them legs. Nice bearish close. No top wick again. No bottom wick, but also no top wick, so I'm gonna let it go. Let it do its thing. Whatever it wants to do. Don't need to put a TP on this. They're 93. 93. Go. What? Oh. There we go. Back up 14 pips on that. A little more. Because that's what I'm seeing many times, right? I always get the first leg. This is always the first leg coming down, right? The second leg, like this entire thing, right, coming down here is the first leg. This is the second leg. And the second leg, I prefer the second leg because most of the time the second leg is going to be, we're back up, we're running in profit, fam. Shit. Goddamn, boy. I'll put it for the people that really want to see it. Now the last entry I got was somewhere like right here. This is what we're going to be looking at. We're running around, what are we running right now? What have we run with the second leg? 17.5, that's good. Let it go. Let's do the thing. Come on. Hey, look, get that 50-minute close bearish. Yes, this is perfect situation. You can't get any better than that. Only the first one to stop hunt. Like, that was, if you saw my line as well, just tap the line. Like, they were all watching me on my live stream. They're all sitting there, tap the line, boy. No, but it is what it is. There we go. Nearly 20 pips, 20 pips, 20 pips, 20 pips. Come on, a little more. A little bit more. Yes, 20 pips. Bubba boy. Close 50% of my runner. Little early, but I could reject off this level, so rather get some profits banked in that I had before. Five minutes, still has a minute to close. It's probably gonna pull back. Yeah, as I said, probably gonna pull back, close somewhere here maybe, and then continue. It needs to close a little bit below that 98.5 though. That's a must a little bit. Second leg bigger than the first one. Yeah. That's what I see many times. Like you see many people say the first leg is always going to be the biggest. Nah, I see the second leg. That's being nice always. I prefer the second leg. Ten seconds left for the closure. Not setting my TP for some reason. I closed below. Fucking told you. It's gonna retaste and it goes to. I need to stop swearing today. A little too much. Sorry about that. The TP. It's already set, but I can't see it on this. What? Oh no, it's there. So where are the buyers at? No, joking. I'm messing around. What lot size are you trading right now? Mostly between 75 and 1.25. I split my position. I wanted to go in full position. But I used a 60 cent on this one. I just wanted to, because of this already, like the way it's moving, don't really like it. Guys, still here look perfect. I can't. I'm just messing around. Those 2 weeks. Nice. Yeah, maybe. As long as we keep on making lower low, lower highs on this one, we should continue moving down. If we start breaking 1800 flat, then we're breaking the structure, and then it means that we had a break of structure. So, you know, then buys could continue moving up. As long as we hold this and this, then we should continue moving down. And we keep on breaking the lows, because this didn't break the low. This should break the low. Come on, break the low. 1 hour wick yesterday. No, I didn't. God damn. Yeah, oh, this one I saw, yeah. I didn't know 1 hour wick. Let's go to the 1 minute. If you look at the 1 minute, you just see your money disappear. That's all I'm gonna say. This is probably a grand. What is this? Not even nearly 2 grand. In a minute, fam. In a minute. Imagine holding like a million in Bitcoin. You see this shit disappear, fam. Like you're just sitting behind your PC, right? And you hold like 50 Bitcoin. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. 5 minutes from this open. It's 5,000. Shit. I don't hold any Bitcoin myself. But yeah, 5 minutes after it went back up like 3,000 or something. So not bad, but imagine you're just looking at your phone, you're seeing the numbers fly down, and you're like, what the fuck? Bullish kind of blows. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it would have made bank drop that. Mm. How do you manage risk for a runner? Just take profit and leave your run. I'm about to be stopped out with the 50% left on the runner. The friend who had stroke after they dumped the Bitcoin. Yeah, you have to be careful, man. I'll wait for it. New York, see tomorrow look perfect, Scarlett. I'm probably gonna head off as well. Stop loss at break even, so whatever happens, happens, right? I'm gonna see you guys probably in New York. Probably it's gonna be 1 o'clock or yeah, maybe normal time. Don't know how long I'm gonna stream though. Do have some things to do. But just gonna see. Let's see if we can make another trade and see if we can do something with the markets in New York. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, especially subscribe. Like, we need to hit that 15,000 subscribers, and for this one as well, we have pretty much 300 people and only 150 likes. So don't forget to also like. It's a pretty good stream. Rewind it back if you want to see some good knowledge and trading as planned. This wasn't as planned, but after that we turned that L into a W, like we always do, and I just got stopped out on my runner. But yeah, thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in New York. Bye bye. Yeah, maybe. Let's see.